Welcome to a new video, male reproductive system of rabbit. This is for the 4th semester. The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of testes, which is the primary sex organs, and there are other associated secondary sexual structures. So they are known as a pair of vasa differentia. So this is the testis. This is pinkish in color, light pink colored oval bodies are this one, from which a tube arises. So this is called the vasa deferens. This one is the vasa deferences. This one vasa deferences. Then there is a uterus masculinus, or it is called the seminal vesicle, which is seen under the urinary bladder. So this is the urinary bladder. The താഴെയാണ് uterus masculinus കാണുന്നത്. Then there is a urethra. This one is the urethra, and then is the penis. So, and it is associated with a number of accessory glands called the prostate gland, corpus gland, perineal glands, and rectal glands are there. So this is the basic outline of a male reproductive system. Let's go to the deeper. The testis, as already told, is a light pink colored oval body. It lies in the abdominal cavity near the kidneys in the fetus, but at puberty this descends outside into the scrotal sac. സ്ക്രോട്ടത്തിലേക്ക് വൃഷ്ണസഞ്ചിയിലേക്ക് puberty ആയിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് മാത്രമേ അത് താങ്ങി ഇറങ്ങി വരത്തുള്ളൂ. So each testis is covered by a tough covering called this one is called the tunica. This covering is called the Tunica Albuginea. The testis is divided into numerous compartments. These are the different compartments, and each compartment is called the lobules. So these are separated by the septa, in which the seminiferous tubules are present. These are actually the site of spermatogenesis. Now this is of a seminiferous tubules. This is called germinal epithelium, which is lined by primary germ cell, from which the spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, sperms are formed. There are other cells called the Sertoli cells, which provides the nourishment. In addition to the in between the seminiferous tubules, there are specialized cells called Leydig cells, which secrete the testosterone necessary for the development of secondary sexual characters. Now, from this seminiferous tubules, it all open into a network of cavity called retitestis. A retitestis, there arises a straight tube called this, or called the vasa efferentia. This one is called the vasa efferentia. These straight tubules are called vasa efferentia, which is open into a epididymis. This is the epididymis. So epididymis has 3 parts. One is called the first part, this is the second part, and there is the third part. This is called the caput epididymis. This is called the corpus epididymis, and this is called the coda epididymis. And the head, body, and tail region. 3 പാർട്ടുകളുണ്ട്. The caput and coda epididymis actually stores the sperm. Stores and nourish the sperms. So function of epididymis to store the sperms and its nourishment, from which arises a long tube called the vasa differentia. So it's a long muscular tube. Vasa differentis is a muscular tube, or it is called the sperm duct, which enters the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal. So this is the inguinal canal. Abdominal cavity canal on inguinal canal. And this is the testis. This arises the vasa differences. Then it curves over the ureter and passes backwards to open into a small medium bag called uterus masculinus. So this is the uterus masculinus. This one is the uterus masculinus, or called seminal vesicles. This one, seminal vesicles, situated above the neck of the bladder. The seminal vesicle open dorsally into the urethra. It open into the dorsally into the urethra. So this is the urethra. This portion is the urethral opening. Now the penis. So this is the penis. Penis is a muscular cylindrical and vascular erectile copulatory organ. This one, which hangs out in front of the anus. Anus തൊട്ട് മുന്നേ തൂങ്ങിക്കിടക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, which is actually the copulatory organ. Now what are the accessory glands? So there are many accessory glands. First one is the prostate gland. So this is the prostate gland, and this is the corpus glands. As I already told, this is a seminal vesicles. So each one has different functions. The prostate gland is situated dorsally at the base of the uterus masculinus. Seminal vesicles in the base, which open into the urethra by a numerous duct, which makes the sperm active. Well, prostate gland function make the sperm active. Corpus glands or bulbar urethral gland, their secretion neutralizes the acidity. Then there is a perineal gland. Anterior to the corpus gland, is open to the, so their secretion produce a characteristic odor of rabbit. Male sex organ. ചെറിയ വ്യത്യാസം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, ഒരു സൈഡ് വ്യൂ ആണ്. So this is the scrotal sac, this one is the scrotal sac, this is the testis, and this is the epididymis, from which the vas deferens arises, which goes through the inguinal canal. This is the inguinal canal. So roll over the urinary bladder, and behind it joined with the seminal vesicles. So this is seminal vesicles, which passes through the prostate gland. So it forms a common urinogenital opening. So this is a corpus gland or bulbourethral gland. So this passes through the penis. So the penis is made up of corpus spongiosum and corpus cavernosum. This is just similar to the rabbit reproductive organ. And the tip of the penis is vertebral sole, and this is called the glans penis. And finally opens out. So there is a single opening for the sperm and the urine.